DJI Mini 3 drone footage from Steep Rock, which is a quiet little beach town and campground that is 2.5 hours north of Winnipeg and located on the eastern shores of Lake Manitoba. We headed out for a night and stayed in a friend's trailer that's a few blocks from the beach. Here's the rocket quick shot feature, where the drone propels straight up into the air. As you can see, Steep Rock is known for its clear turquoise water. Here we're at the main beach, where there's a boat launch, kayak and jet ski rentals, and a nice little restaurant called Gringo Locos. You can see the boat launch here. Apparently the fishing's picked up. 2 of our friends caught 3 fish, 2 walleye and a silver bass just offshore in 15 minutes.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Here I am using the dronie quick shot feature, where you can select the subject and the drone propels backwards. I only went to the default shortest distance of 30 meters because it was really windy. Even though the DJI Mini has good wind resistance, I didn't want to risk it. Here's the main beach. It's nice, it has really clear, warm water, and is nice to swim in, but bring rock shoes because it's rocky. The rocky feature again from one of the limestone cliffs. Steep Rock is known for the clear turquoise water, like I said, and also limestone cliffs. There are a few trails and caves to go into. In addition to the clear waters of Lake Manitoba, there's a quarry you can swim into. I didn't get a chance to get drone footage there, but the water is even clearer and bluer. Here I'm going as high as I went. I didn't want to go too high with the wind and the birds that kept flying around the drone. Some were even trying to attack it.
In a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Finally, you're about to see the circle feature, where the drone will circle around a chosen subject. This would be nice for statues, lighthouses, and other inanimate objects. There are a few other quick shot features I didn't get a chance to use, but stay tuned next time.